Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to see how to utilize this particular machine and connect it with MobileXterm. Now, this is one of the videos I've not done it so far. So you can install this MobileXterm, which is free. And then you can actually create folders like this. I'm sorry, folders like this, a new folder, and then select the AWS CLI. That's the folder name. And then inside that, you can actually click on new session. And then you can actually go to your AWS CLI and copy the public IP address from there, put it over here, take the username from the connector, right click and connect, and you will see the username over here. So you can specify username and then paste that username over here and then give that AWS CLI Ubuntu as a nickname for it so that it will disappear. It will appear here. And then don't forget to go to advanced and then use private key and give the folder a file name over here. So for me, I have the file name already here as part of this. So I'm just going to copy this location for me. It's not letting me copy. Damn. Okay, so let me just edit it and then browse it. So just click on here and you will be able to browse the location and then you can pinpoint the location. All right, I've pinpointed the location as you can see over here. So now this should be good enough for me. So click on OK and then just double click it. So it will ask you whether you want to accept authentication. Okay, that's weird. It's saying like don't support authentication form. Let's just try this again. Oh, seems like it has not taken that location. So let's just try again. Okay, so it says like you have reached the maximum number of safe section. Okay, got it. So I gotta delete some sections over here because as I'm in the trial version, right? It's not letting me save more sessions over here. So let's click this. Let's try it now. So it will be asking you a question over here. Do you accept the, do you accept to share the trust store and something like that? So you just have to say yes. And then you should be able to enter into it. Now I'm in the Ubuntu operating system, as you can see over here. And AWS command is, not working. So there are multiple ways of installing AWS latest version. And you can see that apt install AWS CLI, you have snap install AWS CLI. So this is one of the supported items over here as we discussed on this document. So when you're clicking on installing multiple methods, right? So you have the download and install, which is this one. You have ARM for ARM Linux, how you want to install it. You have just a different architecture package over here. And you have the snap package. So for snap, you just have to use this command. So you just install AWS CLI and then get that installed. So if you just see that, sudo, I missed sudo, I guess. So I'm just gonna type sudo snap install AWS CLI classic. Now this is going to download this package and it's going to install not just this package, but also its dependencies. So here you will see AWS -- version. So now this should come up with AWS CLI 2.18. So when I type AWS now, you will see that same help command which we have seen before. So this is one of the easy method of installing it. So if you want to do the other method of installing it, also I'll show you on the next video. To remove this, I think the remove command should be remove over here. So this should remove the package. Okay, you can see that is removed now. When I type AWS -- version, You can see AWS not found. So pretty much a simple method of installing using Snap. So on the next video, I'll show you the other method of installing, because sometimes Snap won't be part of your operating system. Like for example, if you go to CentOS or any kind of other operating system, you won't have Snap. Then it becomes a complication for you. So I'll show you the other method, which is predominantly used by major people. So I'll see you on the next video.